Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic data structures. Copy an array with the spread operator. While slice allows us to be selective about what elements of an array to copy among several other useful tasks, ES6 new spread operator allows us to easily copy all of an array's elements in order with simple and highly readable syntax. The spread syntax simply looks like this triple dot. In practice, we can use a spread operator to copy an array like so. In this case, this array contains an array containing 5 elements true, true, undefined, false, and null. If we want to create that array, which is a new array, we can simply use this array with a spread operator, a spread syntax, so that we can create a new array and name it that array. So that array equals this and have the same value as this array. It may be noted that this array remains unchanged in the whole process. Task for this challenge, we have defined a function copy machine which takes ARR and num, which is a number, as arguments. The function is supposed to return a new array made up of num copies of ARR. We have done most of the work for you, but it doesn't work quite right yet. Modify the function using a spread syntax so that it works correctly. Hint, another method we have already covered might come handy here. So, which takes ARR and num. Here we can see these are a parameter of this function copy machine. We have done we have a new array with, so in this case we have num and 2. So new ARR dot push, and in push we have triple dot ARR. So we return with 2 copies of this same array here. Let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.